Hello everyone. I'll discuss the solutions of Hacker the Java inheritance held on 16/5/2020. Let us start with the quiz. First question. Which inheritance in Java programming is not supported? Multiple inheritance in Java is not supported. So here option A is the right one. Second question. What is subclass in Java? A subclass is a class that inherits another class. So here option A is the right one. Third question, if a class B is subclassed from a class A, then which is the correct syntax? Consider there are classes called A and B. Class A represents base class, class B represents derived class. If a derived class inherits base class, just simply we need to represent on the syntax as class B extends A. So option B is the right one. Question 4. Order of execution of constructors in Java inheritance is starts with the base 2 derived classes. Option A is the right one. Question 5. Inheritance relationship in Java language is a relationship. For example, consider there are two classes, vehicle and vehicle and car. Consider here, car is a vehicle. So the example for is a relationship. Next question, problem statement. Consider create a class called pay with the 5 private attributes. Starts with the name, bank name, IFSC code and Aadhaar ID. At last amount. There are two methods that you need to include. The first method, add payee with an argument's name, bank name, then IFSC, then deposit amount. In this method, you just need to include the logic that it should match with the payee from the bank name, then the person name and IFSC. If these three gets matched, you just need to update the amount. Similarly, there is another method called add payee of string that represents an Aadhaar ID, then IFSC, then deposit amount. This method should interact with the Aadhaar ID and IFSC to update the amount. If the pay is matched from the given input, then just simply we need to display the details. If the pay is not matched with these details, just simply we need to print payee not found from the given match. Then use appropriate getters and setters for the payee class, and if there is any necessity, just simply you can include constructors also. This is the input format: name, then bank name, then IFSC, then Aadhaar number, then initial amount. So this is a sample input. Then once we enter, there are two options, either any one of the options that we need to choose. For example, if the user chooses option 1, pay using name, bank name and IFSC. The user has choose option 1. So name, bank name, IFSC. These three details gets matched with the payee object. Then I just need to update the amount. Initially there will be 1500 that I have added, 1500. Now if these three details gets matched, that is Kumar ICICI, then IFSC ICICI 00000016. These three are gets matched with the payee objects. I just need to update the amount. So totally, for example, 2500. Let me show you the code. Consider I have created a class called payee with the 5 private attributes along with parameterized constructors, then In a add payee method, just I have represented in conditions if get name is a getter method which is available in a PE class. If I use this get name, just simply it returns a name. The return name that I'm going to check with the arguments whatever user has entered. So that's why I have represented if get name dot equals of name and get bank name dot equals of bank name and get IFSC code dot equals of IFSC. These three details gets matched with the payee object. I just need to update the amount. So amount equal to amount plus deposit amount. Amount initially I have added 1500. If these three details gets matched, then I would like to update, for example, an amount rupees 1000. So these enter data which gets updated. If the payee details not matched, in else part just I have given payee not found from the given bank. Similarly, the same logic that I have applied in another method also, but in an argument instead of bank name and person name, just I have used Aadhaar ID. So if Aadhaar ID, then IFSC code gets matched, I'm going to update the amount. Let me run the code. Just I'll enter the sample input. It asks the user to type either option 1 or 2. I'm going to type 1. Then Kumar is the person name. The bank name is ICICI. Then IFSC ICIC 00000016. Then I would like to update the amount 1000. If these three details gets matched with the payee object, then 1000 should get added